Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are quite well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I also want that. In the last class, we learned about Unit-12, lesson-3. Today, we are going to learn Unit-7, lesson-1. So, please take your textbook and find out the Unit-7, lesson-1, page number 91. Quick, be ready, find out the Unit 7, lesson 1. Open at page number 91. The topic is Zainul Abedin, the great artist. Activity A. Firstly, I am going to read out the lesson to you loudly for your better understanding and realization. So, listen carefully. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainul Abedin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal feminine sketches. Through the series of sketches, Zainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1943, but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made flight. He depicted these extremely shocking pictures with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. Using the ink and applying the brush where necessary, he produced the drawings and sketches which later became iconic images of human suffering. Next para. Zainul developed a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing his school, he took admission in the Government School of Art, Calcutta, now Kolkata. He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. He was appointed a teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London, during 1951 to 52. Next para. Zainul Abedin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. For his artistic and visionary qualities, he is referred to as Silpacharya, meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. He organized the Nabanno Harvest exhibition in 1969. The exhibition included a 65 feet long scroll portraying the rural East Pakistan in pages from abundance to poverty. This intensified the already highlighted non-cooperation movement against the Pakistan regime. The exhibition was symbolic of the Bengali artists' protest and a milestone in our struggle for cultural and political freedom. Zainul's dynamic style of work is evident in a 30 feet long scroll painting called Monpura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone of 1970. Next para and next page. He designed the page of the Constitution of the Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and also Zainul Abedin Sangrohshala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. The river Brahmaputra played a vital role in his paintings and was a source of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood was spent near the scenic river Brahmaputra. A series of watercolors that Zainul did as his tribute to the river earned him the governor's gold medal in an all-India exhibition in 1938. This was the first time that he came into spotlight, and this award gave him the confidence to create his own visual style. Zainul Abedin was born in Kishoreganj on 29 December 1914 and died in Dhaka on 28 May 1976. In this lesson, we have got that there are many new words and phrases, so we have to learn the meaning of the new words and phrases. So look at the board carefully and take down the new words. The new words are pioneer. Pioneer means explorer. Pioneer means explorer. Acclaim means praise. Document means report or record. Harsh means rough. Sinister means evil looking. Evil looking. Depict means paint. Extremely means acutely. Acutely, severely, etc. Compassion means pity. Pity. Knack means skill or capability. Capability. Capability, etc. Outstanding means notable. Or famous. reputation means name. Status, etc. Reputation means name or status. Next new word, visionary means dreamer. Abundance means a lot of or in plenty of, etc. Regime means rule. Regime means rule or reign or reign. Milestone means landmark. Landmark. Sketch means framework. Dynamic means active. Commemorate means remember. Remember or recollect. Recollect. Predominant means chief or principal. Inspiration means stimulation. Stimulation, etc. So, from this lesson, we have got a lot of new words, and among them, many of the new words have written on the board, and you see those. So, we can remember again the new words. Pioneer means explorer. Acclaim means fate, praise. Document means report or record. Harsh means rough. Sinister means evil looking. Depict means paint. Extremely means acutely or severely. Compassion means pity, kindness, etc. Knack means skill or capability. Outstanding means notable, famous or uncommon. Reputation means status or name. Visionary means dreamer. Abundance means a lot of or in plenty of. Regime means rule or reign. Milestone means landmark. Sketch means framework. Dynamic means active. Commemorate means recollect or remember. Predominant means principal or chief. Inspiration means stimulation. So you will learn these new words attentively, then you will understand the lesson well and be able to answer multiple choice questions or short answered questions. Now, I am writing some questions taking from this lesson. These questions you will take down on your notebook and try to find out the answers. Question A. What do you know about Zainul Abedin's education? Next, B. Why is Zainul referred? Why is Zainul referred? Zainul referred to as Shilpacharya. Shilpacharya. Next, question number C. How did Zainul depict Zainul depict the harsh feminine? The harsh feminine of 1940. Next number D. What two things did he found? Last number E. How did Zainul Abedin Zainul how did Zainul Abedin make his own ink? Make his own ink. Next, F. What did these works earn him? In his life. I have written on the board 6 questions, but from this lesson we cannot make only 6 questions. Maybe there are many questions. From this lesson beside these questions. So take down the questions and in the house you can solve these questions and the answers will be written in your notebooks. So these questions are as homework for you. No more today. Thank you very much.